कित्या तुमकां खबर आहा की why are we raising the issue? It is something which there is a provision that we can raise within 6 months, and the ST community wants us to raise that particular issue regards to political reservation. Somehow this government does not want to face it or does not want to face reality. They कालचे दिसाक तें केलें सेम पद्दत आयचे दिसाक they disrupted the question hour. So this is a plan because they are basically rattled by the opposition. Otherwise there was absolutely no need for them to think. See, आमकां जेन्ना लोक सांगता की हे इश्यू रेज करून ST भाव आमगेले they have said that to raise it. That is what is our duty as opposition MLAs. And then we have to say sorry and apologize. When the matter yesterday was listed in the sheet of the business, then ते आहले ते तितून दाखोवन दिता ते आतां आज सकाळ दुसरे उलोवपा लागले. काल मुखेलमंत्री मुठालो अपॉलोजायज करून आज ना आपूण म्हणना मुठा तूं व्हिडिओ चोय. सो in the interest of questions of the people or whatever, I think I requested the Honorable Chief Minister that he said and made it clear that he has not said something against him. And then the privilege committee procedure he all started. So, but then Speaker intervened and felt that so it's a good thing. So the question should start tomorrow. Speaker took the decision.
What were the main issues to this?
मेन इश्यू म्हणटाय ते हे फ्लडिंगाचे जे जाला पर्टिक्युलरली स्टार्टींग ड्युरींग क्वेश्चन ड्युरींग झिरो आर मेन्शन त्या वेळार आमी हे परोडा फ्लडिंगाचो इश्यू घेतलो. लास्ट 2 years आय हॅव रेस्ड इट. चीफ मिनिस्टर हाका अश्युरन्स फाटल्या अश्युरन्स दिता, हेय वर्सा अश्युरन्स दिता ही विल रिजॉल्व इट. इफ यू सी द फ्लडिंग दॅट हॅज हॅपन्ड इन द एंटायर स्टेट इज गॉन फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स situation. Today you see the situation is of bouncer raj. Bouncer, we have seen outsiders, innocent citizens, safety, crime rate and दाखोवन दिले कि women are not safe today in the state. If you look at the crime rate, it is just in आणि 100 जाणा conviction केला. 100 जाणा, 6 out of 1,200 in the last 4 years. And Chief Minister is very happy about that he has managed to just register an FIR में. So somehow this government has failed with the law and order situation. If you look at the number of murders, it was about 147 or attempt to murders. हे डेटा मुखेलमंत्रीक दाखोवन दिलेले. जे हिंगा IPS ऑफिसर येता हे पोते डिस्कोटेका दिसता, क्लबां दिसता, कसिनोन दिसता in intoxicated state. So they hinga holiday करपाक येता. Or what will happen to law and order? So this is one thing about the murders and raids, crime वाडटात. दुसरें with regards to landslides, ISROन एक रिपोर्ट दिल्लो की both the districts, North Goa and South Goa, are prone to landslides. Now when they are prone to landslides, this was the first thing I moved in the first day. What did the Chief Minister do? He had no reply. He was just silent. He thought ते उलयताय थिंगा कोणा 50,000 दिवपा जाय, पंचायती एक 50,000 दिवपा जाय. What about the scientific study? Has NIO done any scientific study? Why are these landslides happening in the state? What is the reason for these landslides? आणि ज्या पद्धतीन आज हे landslide because of the substandard कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे रोड क्वालिटी. वन टेंडर जो मेजर टेंडर आहा जो जावंय आहा ह्या सरकाराचो हो जावयान हो टेंडर आनी चायनीज कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सब कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जाय थंय गोंयांत चायनीज पासून पावले. सो वॉट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट? ही सेड ही वूड डू एन इन्क्वायरी. हें सदांचें जालां. दीस इज स्कॅम आफ्टर स्कॅम आफ्टर स्कॅम एंड थिंग्स आर गोईंग फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स with regards to the administration. Landslides, if you look today, disaster management squad, also those squad, if you look, they've got one printer, one computer, two telephone lines. This disaster management squad. We told the revenue minister last time as well that disaster management squad itself is a disaster. एंड वॉट हॅव यू डन टू बेटर इट अप कितें इक्विपमेंट घेताय आनी कितें घेताय म्हणून ते सांगताय सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की विथ द करंट रेन आनी पावस ज्या पद्दतीन इन द लास्ट 2-3 years मोर फ्रिक्वन्सी चड पावस पडटा फॉर लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टायम and whether our infrastructure is basically is capable of handling this आणि जे concretization जाला ज्या पद्धतीन हे इलिगल हिल कटिंग जे चलता हिल हे सगळे इश्यू गंभीर इश्यू झालेले आहेत टुडे वी आर इन अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेअर्स वी आर इन दीस असेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि तुमकां हांव सांगपाक सोदता आमी प्रश्न घातलो पहिले मुखेलमंत्री क्वेश्चन केले काय जाप ना की बाबा हे असेंब्ली कॉम्प्लेक्स फोकला पडो मागे तोगल्याचे कितें गॅरंटी आहा स्टेबिलिटी कितें जाल्या तो कितें उत्तर दिता पयलीं तें क्वेश्चन PWD गायिल्लें PWD गायलो क्वेश्चन तो म्हूण हे असेंब्ली तूं येता तुज्यान विचारूं जायना हो केसो कायदो अरे आमी आनी भितर सेफ आहाय स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी आहा आमकां खबर ना आणि ह्याच पद्दतीन जेन्ना पयले आमी आमदार जाले त्या वेळार आमकां सांगलेलें की ट्रेनिंग जावपाक जाय म्हणून आनी शिकोवपाक कोण येयल्ले RSS एक शाखा आनी शिकोवपाक आमी तें बॉयकॉट केलें सो त्या ट्रेनिंगाक कितले पयशे लागलेले म्हणून आमी प्रश्न घातलेलो पयले विधानसभेन जाप दिल्ली की बाबा तुज्यान विधानसभेचे जे लेजिस्लेटीव अफेर्साचे हें आहा ते दिवपा जायना मग एक्सपेन्सीस some person went filed an RTI. They denied it. He went to the Chief Information Commissioner. So a normal citizen was allowed access of information. And today somehow, where the structure stability is there, Speaker had said that I had requested him to do. He can show which paper I challenge. When did I request to do anything in my cabin? I was out of station when I came back. I was shocked that everything is broken. And त्या दिसाक ती लायटीचेर जे आमी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दिल्ले was because I called you all. The PWD passes the buck on the electricity department. Electricity passes them on there. So basically we wanted to know who recommended their renovation. I never recommended it. So basically these were some issues. Tomorrow definitely there are various departments and you will see that we will basically rattle this down.
सर परत एकदा मातशें एल्टन मागीर कितें सेटलमेंट कितें उलयलें स्पिकरा वांगडा
आम सेटलमेंट करपी मनीस न्हय. आमी लोकांक दिले प्रश्न मांडपाक येयले हे लोकांले प्रश्न आमी सांगिल्लें की बाबा तुका ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज समज तुका घालपाक जाय देर इज अ प्रोसेस यू मूव इट ही वील रिप्लाय टू इट ही वील फेस द कॉन्सिक्वन्सीस लोकांले प्रश्न मांडपाक जरी तर तुमी ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज मूव करता देन सो बी इट whatever is written in the rule book we have to follow because that is the book for us, that is the rules that we have to follow. So under which provision and under what rules was discussed in the house, finally the speaker intervened. I also said that he has communicated that he has never spoken anything against you, and if why should he apologize? That was the stand. And then the speaker intervened and felt that in the interest of the affairs to be run, and even I made a statement on the floor of the house that let us move forward.